Hello from everPay. Today we'll be showing you how to liquidity mine using wrapped AR, Ethereum, or USDT. We'll go through adding liquidity, staking and unstaking, claiming, and just to end off with removing your liquidity. We'll start off with connecting our wallet. Make sure Ethereum is selected. We're using MetaMask, so we'll click on MetaMask. Now we're connected. Simply click on add liquidity. Here we have already an example. We'll add 0.04. We'll click accept, confirm, and we wait for the transaction to go through. The transaction has gone through. Now we go on to stake and unstake. We'll click on the last one. I already have two previous ones staked, or liquidity added that I haven't staked as a testing, but we'll go through the latest one. Click on deposit and stake. Click on confirm to confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to go through. And we're done. Now, after a while, obviously you'll want to unstake. You'll simply click on the stake and unstake area, and here you'll have your staked WAR, ETH, LP, NFT. Click on unstake. Again, click on unstake. We have 0 WAR. Obviously, we didn't do it that long. Click on unstake. Confirm the transaction. We wait a second for the transaction to go through. Once it's successful, we'll have claim occurred reward that should pop up. Once that does pop up, you simply click on claim rewards, pay the transaction, and you should instantly get the reward. I'm not getting it because I only staked it for about 3 seconds, so I don't have any rewards pending. But now, in order to remove your liquidity, you will simply click on add liquidity. On the bottom right, you have remove liquidity. You'll click on remove liquidity, and it'll bring you to the uniswap.org page, and here you'll have a whole bunch of liquidities that I had previously added as liquidity. Simply click on one, click on remove liquidity on the top right, click on max, remove again, pay the transaction, wait for the transaction to go through. Once the transaction goes through, still pending, boom, removed 3 WAR and 0.4. And we go back to the ever page, and our staked has gone down from 4 to 3, so we have successfully removed our liquidity. That's it for the liquidity mining tutorial. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to join us in our social groups like Discord or Telegram. We're more than happy to help anyone who needs help. I hope you have an amazing day. Goodbye.